Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I want to show you a little system, guys, that I was introduced to back actually in February, okay, in which you can get 100 leads a day coming to you in your inbox. Does that excite you? It excited me, okay? So I'm going to share that with you real quick. But before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Now, what I like about this thing, first of all, it's very affordable for everybody. And I know how hard it is for people to get leads. I've been talking about offline leads lately. Now we're talking about online leads, okay? So this system is going to allow you, they're going to actually give you 100 leads every day. When you wake up, you're going to have 100 leads in your inbox in the system. It's all going to be operated from the back office of the system for only $1 a day, okay? Let me explain something to you real quick. And you probably know this already, but I've run traffic. I know how much it costs, okay? And for you to actually have 100 leads to opt into your page would probably, you'd probably have to purchase about 500 clicks. Okay, about 500 clicks, 400 to 500 clicks for you to get 100 opt-ins. So if you don't know how much that costs, you're looking at, it can range from 300 on up, okay, to get that many opt-ins, okay, out of 500 clicks. So here we're talking about 100 are going to be already in your inbox. So all you're going to have to do is email them, guys. It's like having your own built-in autoresponder, okay? The difference is with an autoresponder, you've got to get people to come into you. You've got to go do some marketing to get them to opt in. With this, you're going to have 100 leads sitting in your mailbox in the system every day, okay? So let me show you real quick. I am on my sales page, and I joined this in February, which is something I was testing. I tested it for a good month. I wanted to test it about 2 months before I brought it to you guys, but what happened, I tested it for a good month, which was great, but I ended up acquiring a new project. And this kind of went to the wayside, okay? I got overwhelmed and I started working my project and I kind of stopped using it, okay? But it was working very well for me. And I'm going to show you guys my emails and things here in a minute. But I just wanted to scroll through this page so you can see, you know, and you hear people talk about traffic, about, oh, once you get 100 leads opting into your page, it's probably going to equate to one sale, okay? So with this, you're already going to have 100 coming in every day. Now, these are biz ops seekers, okay? So they're not used to you. They're going to warm up as you start emailing them, and they gaining trust with you, getting emails from you. But they are biz op leads, so that's a good thing. They're interested in something, okay? They just got to see it. And once you start emailing them and warming them up, they'll get used to you. But this little system is awesome, guys. I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm going to get to it. I just want to scroll through the sales page, which I'll put the link below. But right here, it tells you you're going to get 100 a day. So you're looking at about, in a 30-day period, that's 3,000 leads, email leads, going to be coming to you. And once you refer one person, then they will send you 200 leads a day. Okay, so then you're looking at 6,000 leads a month that you can market to, whatever your business is. At the time I was pushing, in which I was doing a few things, but my 30-day success formula, now I'm going to start sending emails for that, as well as the 6-figure stamp club, okay? But this is going to be great for you guys for $1 a day. Here's some testimonies on this page. I'm going to put that link below. $1, guys, okay? And they're going to send you 100 a day. So let's go over to my back office real quick. Hang on. Okay, I'm in my back office. The name of it is my Lead Gen Secret, okay? I'm in my back office. This is your affiliate link here. I'm going to show you when I started. As you can see right here, We got 100 sitting in here waiting on me. What got me back started was that a friend of mine contacted me this weekend, and I said, oh, I'm already in that, so I need to just reactivate it. But look at the opt-in open rate that I was getting. See, I stopped like at the end of March. So I did it for a whole month. I've already sent out 94 emails to 9,400 leads. Okay, so you see the opt-in rate. This is great. So my ad copies are working. I'm sending them at the time, as you can see, the mailbox money. I was doing the 30-day. I just started with that. Okay, so look at this. When you kill to have 1,000 of your emails opened and 169 clicked on, okay, these numbers they vary, but it's not bad, guys, for 100 leads to be sitting here every day. All you have to do is email them. It also comes with email swipes. I believe there's an additional fee for that, maybe $30 or something like that, but you have the swipes in there. I have some swipes that I'll share with you guys. I'm going to locate them on my computer, some additional swipes, but you want to just, you know, get people to look at what you have to offer. Send them to your capture page system, and a lot of the capture page systems you may already have autoresponders. You can copy those in here as well. So I just want you to see this, okay? And let me show you the leads are sitting here. You click right here, okay? It says my leads. Every day 100 is sitting there. See, I just started it back, okay? Right here, 100, 100, 100, 100. And I was getting 200, and a few people dropped off. I did it, like I said, for a full month, but I'll get back up to 200 a day. But as you can see, your leads are right here. You can click here. I don't want to do that. It's going to show the people's names and email addresses. But right here to show you the names and the email addresses for all your leads. Okay. And again, here's some swipes. I went ahead and purchased that because I always feel if you're going to do it all the way. So I purchased the swipes. So there's swipes already in here. All you have to do is switch them up to fit what you're doing. Okay. So you got email swipes in here. Like I said, it's a full turnkey mailing system. All you do is log in, and they have a get started video. Like if I want to send, which we're going to do an email real quick, I'm going to select all these. See, I already have 9,000. Okay. So I'm going to send all of them an email here in a second. But your stats, click your stats, guys, so you can see what's going on. Right here, as you can see. I sent out to 9,400 leads, and 1,907 opened it. Really? That's amazing, right? So this is a great system. They have an affiliate with it, comp plan with it, but I didn't join it for that. So you can look at that at your leisure. I really joined it for the product. You know, I was looking at how it's going to help people. So that's why I was testing. I wanted to test it for 2 months, but I didn't get to do that because I was distracted. But I'm ready to crank it back up. And this is for all of my folks that's out here saying, well, I can't get leads, because we're doing our mailings, right? So this is what I'm talking to my subscribers that we're in this direct mail business together. This is going to be perfect, okay? Now, this is for anybody, but I'm trying to focus on my people that's kind of with the mailings, okay? They're waiting on the mailings to happen. In between that, guess what? You could be sending an email every day, okay? 7 days a week, you could be emailing leads to get them to go over to look at your offer, get them over to your sales letter, get them over to the Stamp Club website, and all those things. Just promote what your offer is, and then you still have your mailings coming in. So this is going to be perfect for you guys. So you can look at that affiliate portion, but I was more concerned about the leads, the product, which is the leads, and that's what everybody needs. You need leads to be in business. So this is the perfect system to acquire, to get leads coming in every day. See right here, I normally leave it right there, and we're going to send an email real quick. See, there's videos in here. Right here is where you're going to type your message, but he has great little tutorials. Just follow the videos. He walks you through how to use it. It's very simple. It kind of reminds me of, okay, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to show you, but this is a simple system. Okay, so for the video's sake, I have copied a email that I've used in the Conversion Pros for my warm list. I want to send it over here to the cold list which is these biz ops. Okay, as you can see, because like I said, I've been in this a while, so they're gonna send it to these people here. Okay, so I click there and I have 9,000 I'm getting ready to send to. Okay, and it's just like your typical autoresponder. I'm going to take all this out, guys. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how simple this is to do live right here. So we're going to say good morning, or good afternoon rather. Hang on. Okay. Alright, this is what I've used. Okay, let's see, I've got my picture proof deal there. Let me get my, let me go over, hang on, let me get the subject. Hang on one second. Okay, we're going to put the subject here. And right up here. Okay, so there's the subject. All these are emails that I've sent before. It saves everything. This thing is pretty cool for $1 a day. So, we're going to send this over to all these, okay? Just how simple it is, okay? And they have in here images and things you can use too, okay? I'm just going to send this, send email. Here it says your message has been queued, and it lets you know basically you can't send another message for 24 hours, okay? So let's go back up here and let's look at let's click here. Wait a minute, I think it was this one. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, we're back here. Okay, so when you get started, guys, just click right here, quick start video, and it's going to show you how to use this. Okay, right here. This is what we just sent to 9,000 leads on 5/20. That's my subject, video alert, how to make mailbox money. Now we're going to watch it. I'm going to come back and show you what happens here. But you can see I get people that open my emails. Okay, so I'm going to keep this one short, but I just wanted you guys to see my lead secret gen is what you want to get for a whole $1 a day, guys. For you can get 100 leads in your inbox every day. Okay, I'm going to put that link below so you can go ahead and get started. Get with me. I have some additional email copies that I will give you that you can use to go ahead and use with this as well. Okay, if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get your 100 leads to your inbox every day, guys. That's 3,000 leads a month. Okay, you cannot sleep on this. Okay, till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.